Hey everyone, I'm Johanna, and in today's video I want to show you how to create a Jira board. Now, before we start, it's important to note that you can only create multiple boards in company-managed software spaces. Team-managed and business spaces can only have one board. You'll see in which spaces you can create a board when you hover over them. And when this plus icon appears, you can create a new board there. So let's click on that plus icon. Now Jira tells me that I can create a Kanban or a Scrum board. Scrum boards are usually for Scrum teams that work with sprints, and Kanban boards for literally anything project management related. I'm going to create a Kanban board today. Now, here the first thing I need to do is give the board a name. We'll call it travel tasks. And then I have to define what I want to include on this board. There are a couple of different options. I can decide to show all work items from my space, all work items assigned to a team, work items associated with a specific work type, or work items tagged with a specific label. Or I can show work items from a saved JQL filter, which is the most flexible option, especially if you want to customize things later on. Depending on the option that you choose, you'll need to select the team, work type, label, or filter. I'm going to choose the Save Filter option today. So I'm going to go ahead and pick that and then select my filter as well. And then all I need to do is click Create. And there we have it, a new Jira board. All right, before we close off, I just want to quickly show you two options on how you can further customize your board. First, we have to open the board settings. For that, I'm going to click on the three-point menu next to the board's title and then go to Board Settings. Here, on the left side, the first thing I want to show you is columns. Here I can map the individual statuses to the existing columns and create new ones as well. For example, I'm going to add a QA column right here. And then enable the backlog as well by dragging the draft status to the backlog column. And that's it for the first customization option. Now, the second one is quick filters. They basically help you spot certain things faster, as you can, for example, filter out high priority tasks or a specific work type, or even just the work items assigned to you. They are defined with JQL, which you can do as simple or as complex as you need it. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more upcoming Jira tips. See you next time. Bye everyone.